Ensuring that electrical and mechanical design data is synced up has never been more critical. Managing multiple versions of a design can get complicated and mistakes can easily be made. For instance, this circuit board may have two versions, one with a USB connector and a separate version without the USB connector. Variants created inside a SOLIDWORKS PCB now automatically sync up with configurations in the SOLIDWORKS 3D model. Now that we have two variations of our board, one with and one without the USB connector, we can push this information into SOLIDWORKS and automatically generate a new configuration. We'll jump back into SOLIDWORKS and accept the updates from PCB, and you'll notice that a brand new configuration with the USB suppressed has now been created.